Just on the drive down, I'm just seeing these wonderful red kites. One just swooped down. There they are, they're huge. The biggest ones I've ever seen. One just swooped down by my car, literally right in front of the windscreen, and tried to catch one of the grouse that was on the floor. And you can see here as well, the road is littered with grouse. There they are. Literally like almost like a feeding frenzy here. Good morning. So I'm in another beautiful and isolated place in mid Wales. I'm in Abergwesyn, and there's some nice views already behind me, which I think you should be able to see. And we're in Abergwesyn Hall, which is just a little hall and car park. We're doing a walk through the Abergwesyn Valley today, and I'm hoping it's a sort of deep, isolated valley that's relatively remote in mid Wales, and at the far end is some crags called Esgair Irfon. I'm hoping to get up onto those crags to get a view down the valley, and the valley follows the River Irfon. So yeah, should be really good, something different as well. So see you in a bit. So it's about 9:10 in the morning. It's a 2-hour drive here, so I've done my best to get here in reasonable time. Lovely fish scale sort of sky, but that's going to burn through really quickly, and it's going to be really hot. It's going to get up to 28 today. So I'm just trying to complete the walk in the morning. I'm hoping to be done in 3 hours by 12, but we'll see how we get on. I don't want to be up there when it's like 28, it's going to be too hot. Lovely Cecil Lake. Wonderful views from beyond. Stunning. Definitely some of the best ancient woodland I've walked in for a long time. Almost sort of Lake District style. It's beautiful. That's the River Irfon down there. And I think this is a mountain pass, effectively, this road that goes all the way to Tarragon. I think that's how it's pronounced. So about another 10 minutes we should enter the Abergwesyn Valley. So I'm extremely tired after work and kids, and the last few days of quite long drives to get to walks. But again, it's so worth it. So green and beautiful. Lovely pools and cascades down in the Irfon. Look at this. Epic. It's amazing. God, sorry, I feel emotional. I think early start, overtired, that's enough to make me emotional. Wow, that's great. The Irfon is so beautiful with the little pools and cascades. Really is beautiful. Look at that, what a view. Mountain Pass. So we're at the Abergwesyn Commons sign, National Trust. Briefly, thanks to Andy for the last walk. Great walk and even better company. Really enjoyed it. And we briefly mentioned this place on the walk, and it kind of jogged my memory because it had been on my list for ages to do. And other inspiration was from Mark Y Explorer. In the description I'll put the link for 2 videos he's done with his brother Paul, and it's a fantastic hike where he walks from the source of the Irfon down this valley to its intersection with the Y. So thanks to Mark as well, because I hadn't really heard of the place until I watched his video, and Mark and Paul are absolutely loving it up here in the video. So yeah, I'll put those the description, those videos link in the description. See you in a bit. A few more views. Let's come out onto a little crag. A towering combe there. Not really a combe, it's like a ravine, isn't it? Probably scramble through there, but I'm not going to. There's a little path just at the back where the fords are before you get to the Devil's Staircase. I'm going to try and choose that one. I could see it on Google Earth. But yeah, scenery quite reminiscent of North Wales now. And I'm completely alone, only surrounded by birds of prey. So that pool down there is called the Wolf's Leap, which is a great wild swimming spot. Those crags have opened up nicely now. Yeah, so I don't think I'll probably go in there, but I'm definitely going to, when we get to those fords, I'm going to call off in the river, definitely. Just approaching the end of the valley. So these crags here, I think should offer the best view, potentially. So I think somewhere up there, or maybe along one of these, that's where I'm going to try and get up to catch a view. Okay, so we're at the end of this part of the valley, the kind of dramatic section. Or the craggy section, I should say. We're in like a basin area. Over there is Devil's Staircase. Not going to go as far as there today, but I think it's quite a popular motorbike route. River's down there. Beautiful farmhouse. Ah, there it is, I think. This should be the Crags path in theory, but yeah, might be a bit of a vague one. It's a sheep track, but we'll see how we get on. Steep. Okay, really hot now. I'm feeling the burn. Now becoming a precipice walk. Great bit of footpath. A wild place. Trying to catch a crag. Hopefully we'll catch a view in a minute. That is a hell of a view. Right from the crag edge. Yeah, that's a pretty plummeting drop off there. I'm not going to go any further. It's going up to the sort of top of the crags and then we'll turn down. But what views! So I've probably said that about a million times. Just where that sheep is, I think. Let's get our last view, and then they're getting really hot now. I'm going to turn back. Yeah, that's another great spot. Right on the edge. Yeah, that is just brilliant. Wow, there's another emotional place. Like, just, Yeah, can't describe it. Hey, woo! Mid Wales. Just so glad I've discovered it really and made an effort to come here. And thanks for the inspiration from other YouTubers. Otherwise I may not have bothered. Oh, that was so worth it. The view, wow. Amazing. This is the Esgair Irfon, which I assume is sort of Irfon crags or cliffs. View it straight at Penavan and Van Beulah through the valley, and wonderful views right across. So a quick soak off in the Irfon before an hour's walk back, probably a bit longer in the heat. I didn't go fully naked, I'll spare you that, but that was so refreshing. Ice cold water, beautiful. Okay, we'll take one more section on the way back. Okay, so just walking out of the valley now, about half an hour to the car. So recommend this one, it's wonderful. It's quite a long drive to the start point for most people, including me, but it was definitely worth it for the views, and the solitude and isolation is brilliant. Really, really great place. About half hour to the car, just entering that nice woodland section now, so we'll say bye for now. And we look forward to seeing you again for more walks. Have a good week, everyone. What an absolute beauty. Beautiful church. This is just outside Beulah. Look at the floor. I'm not sure how old this is, I'll have to research it. It's a wonderful organ. Look at that. Really beautiful church. Lovely way to finish.